Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Lay's omelet. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 to 3 eggs, your favorite flavor of Lay's potato chips, and any other fillings you enjoy. Next, gently crush the potato chips into smaller pieces. Then, whisk your eggs thoroughly in a bowl until they are well combined and slightly frothy. This preparation ensures a perfectly textured omelet. Now, let's start cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, adding a small amount of oil or butter to prevent sticking. Pour the whisked egg mixture into the hot pan, spreading it evenly to form a nice, thin layer. Let it cook for about 2 minutes, or until the edges begin to set and the center is still slightly runny. This creates the perfect base for our Lay's omelet. It's time for the star ingredient. Sprinkle the crushed Lay's potato chips evenly over 1/2 of the partially cooked omelet. Feel free to add any additional fillings you like, such as shredded cheese or finely diced vegetables, on top of the chips. Then, carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the chip-filled side, creating a delicious pocket of flavor. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until the omelet is golden brown and cooked through to your liking. Once ready, carefully slide your delicious Lay's omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately to enjoy the perfect combination of fluffy egg and crispy chips. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.